Yeah, Gaza Nation. Wagwan. Una here look at this here. I am run up, I am the king for uptown. I make you know I'm the baddest thing. Eh? Last time, me think I do and that talk about, him run uptown, man can't give him no back answer, Glock answer, Well, them look at you, make him know, say, they ain't running nowhere no more than run around your house, And them run uptown, UTG, the gimmicks not there in it, Uno not hear the man lyrics, them. Uno not hear the man song. Eh? It come like on a blind or on a deaf. Uno not listen to the youth. Yo, when the man come out, and I say, him a go take the boss crown, Me swear think a gimmicks thing the youth depon, No, the youth dead ass. The youth not depon no lollipop thing, my brother. The youth serious. Him really a come for the crown for true. And I don't know joke thing, Gaza Nation. The man flawless. Is what I deal with. The man style unique. You know what I mean? And the man have lyrics galore. Him full of melody. Right now, I can't wait for hear Likkle vybz song Panda rhythm there. The rhythm body of fuck. You see what I say? And when you have bad rhythm like that, when you have bad artists and you listen to bad rhythm like that, a bad tune you kick out. No gimmicks not the inner it. From your bad artist and you listen to bad rhythm, a bad tune you have to kick out. A bad tune kick out of you. Remember them youth there, a genius in them own right, Because them have genius DNA in them, No gimmicks thing that the Gaza Nation. No real way I represent. I represent no lollipop way. Eh? I don't know joke thing. Eh? The youth say, right now, him never look no feature from addi for reach ya. Oh, where the fuck, hey, where am I get them argument there from? Yo, you don't hear the youth? The man say him never look no feature from addi for reach ya. You know what I mean? Check him record in space of 1 week, 1 million views. They ban him $sign thing. And I don't know joke shit. A real way the man I represent. Yo, the youth tough now. Bad. I say if him ever bad one more time, dance all, burn up, gun up, turn up. No lollipop thing. You know what I mean? Right now, I'm one of the baddest teenagers I ever see come out of dance hall. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know what I mean? Yeah, one of the baddest teenagers I ever see come out of dance hall. Him cross where lyrics concerned. No joke thing not dead about it. And how him deliver. Wicked. Of the world, it's not a plan. Yo, you know watch what I go on, Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already, when I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch me. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now in Gaza Nation. Them have to approach local addi, with caution, Right now him arm and dangerous, no lollipop thing, You see what I say? Yeah, there ain't no more this youth, I gotta do and me take it for granted, Cause this youth dead serious, gimmicks business, The man say I come for the crown, And me did feel like so well then I just lyrics the man attack. But no, the youth serious. The youth spot on. Yeah, the youth spot on. And no joke shit. And the more me I listen to him, And the wicked and the more wicked I get. Because right now, the man tough and even enough big artists where you see outside there. I don't know, joke shit. When I talk about in terms of like the Struck Time song, listen a man. And I hype up the man, listen to the man song them no man. If a gimmicks thing where I deal with man. Right now the man I'll tell all the girl, right now the man tell the girl them, you know. Same as a man, you know, deal with them properly, you know, but him, don't look for him love them like how him love Tanisha, you know. Whether her whole tight like she throw glue in it, or she use the cake soap with the blue in it, or she care like a child she never ruin it, that's why we loving it. You can't pass Tanisha. I don't know, joke thing for sure, say the youth them are real youth, because you don't know, say, mommy are your first lady in your life. You see what I say? Mommy are the first lady in your life. And the love and care where you have for your mother, that's going to make you can treat a next lady properly. Or a lady daughter properly. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. A real way me I represent. And I see them like the girl them, the daughter them. Your father the first man in your life, my brother. And from your respect your father certain way, you were able to respect a next man outside. You know what I mean? No joke shit. And that's why it's nice if kids grow up with both parents, my brethren. You know what I mean? Because some girl grew up, you know, and see them the mother disrespect man and them shit, they don't have no respect for man, you know. And it goes vice versa, you know. No lollipop thing that they in it, you know. But me I say, I'm dying for hear Likkle Vybz song on the rhythm. Because Likkle Addi is a man with full of lyrics. Likkle Vybz, him pack of lyrics, but him have crazy melody. You see what I say? I want to hear him song on the rhythm, yeah. The rhythm tough. Tough. I can't believe. You know what I mean? The look of you tough, man. I want me to hear, man. Look at they are the baddest. Of course, you are the baddest, youth. I don't know no joke shit. I don't know no more talk. I don't know no gimmicks thing. You know what I mean? Right now, you know, some boys supposed to all a chimble in themselves, you know. I listen to all them look youth there, you know. And I say, blood clot, but them really come to take over for you. I don't know joke shit. I want to know how Aikodon feel right about now, because the last time I hear from him, I made a show off so him run uptown, you know. The youth them make you know a UTG run uptown. You see what I say? And look like them right. Yeah, it look like when the youth turn right, he were right. I know gimmicks business, when him turn right now the S-class, he were right. And them run uptown for sure. Cause we not hear nothing from Diddy or J.O.P. No gimmicks thing not in it. You know what I mean? And the man them are the young sensation. You see me? What burn up the place right now, you know. When you ever see say, you know, the man them equal to the task. The man them game. You know what I mean? Them not even know how to do a bad song. Everything the man them drop a classic. A real thing me I talk about. You see what I say? Right now the man them are enter. Right now to the way the man them. The man them are chop in a dance hall right now. Eh? And some ferocious record I got broke up, my brother. Me no know if you not see it, but all my gun see it. So I don't even a gimmicks thing. That's what I deal with. A real way I represent. The youth them tough. Tough. You see what I say? Yeah. I don't even a joke thing. Look on the havoc what Aikodon create. Look on the havoc where the man create. With them sample hook. You know what I mean? And them a look at you. Eh? A take over thing I go on, my virgin. Straight take over. Straight take over. The youth not in no gimmicks business. I'm hear some man I say right now, you know. The world boss shouldn't drop the whole 5 song pan YouTube, you know. Yo, you have to remember, you know. The world boss are ladies, man, you know. So whether the ladies them poor, broke, rich, hustle, whatever, the man make sure every single one of them have opportunity. Because the man make sure me couldn't know say the EP are for the ladies. You see what I say? I remember, you know, man a giver, woman a receiver. So the man give them the 5 track for them and them receive it properly. You know, watch TikTok and watch Instagram and watch the amount of video where I go where girl are going wicked. Eh? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. But right now the thing them post up, right now the thing them there on Spotify and the thing them there on iTunes right now. But let me tell you something. You don't know where you self Gaza Nation. A 2 decades world boss a lock down this shit, yeah. The man are the master of marketing. He's a marketing genius. You see world boss have no manager run up and down with him stuff. World boss a marketing genius, my brother. No joke thing not the inner it. Remember prison world boss there and Fever still sell gold, you know, my brother. If him did there road it sell platinum long time, huh? You never know that. No gimmicks not there night, me not lie about it. The man a marketing genius. But YouTube, make sure, you know, you're not glad, you know, for this 5 track EP you wanna get, you know. You see what I say? But don't look for the album like that, you know. Because 15 track me hear upon the album, you know. And I don't think I'm going to get the album like that, you know. Because the world boss is a tactician. You see what I say? The man that orchestrate things properly, precisely, should say. You know what I mean? The man that just jump up and do things like that. You see what I deal with? The man that orchestrate things, what I say, precisely. You see what I deal with? Yeah, and them man the music vigilant all over the world. You know what I mean? I don't even know joke shit. A real thing me I talk about. You see what I deal with? But the EP body of fuck. All know me still can't choose a song. Me don't even know which one to choose. You know what I mean? Me just know say in the summer when them track their bus out in the club, me know a wicked things with the ladies them. You know what I mean? Yeah, me know a wicked thing with the ladies them. Them are go on bad. I'm there for them, you know what I mean? Yeah, because I don't know, man, a foundation will make the ladies them stand up strong. You know what I mean? Because I not deal with lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? Yeah, I not in a party and a girl go on bad pan them song there. I stand up one side and I go on like say, well then a badness thing I deal with. I not roll them type of way there. Girl go on bad a officiant 10 star go on so. A real thing. Any party where you see me there, any party where me there now. I wanna notice say over there so full of beer people look like say something I go on over there. 10 star over there create beer havoc man. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Me not laugh with it. You know what I mean? We not grow up in a dance hall. There ain't nothing we me can do but we're dancing concerned. You know what I mean? That's what I deal with. I don't know joke shit. So all I see, the ladies them a go on TikTok and them a go on Instagram are dying for bucking up in a 2 party underneath any one of them track there from that EP there. I don't see what I go on, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I have a lollipop thing man. Right now, me dying right now, you know. Mr. Honest need, you know, for come to some conclusion, you know, for free up back the place certain way, you know, my virgin. Because watch out, you know, my virgin. Look how big America is, you know. America not lock down, you know, like that, you know, my virgin. Them not lock down the people, them like that. The most of the people wear them masks and you still see people on the road without no mask. Although them tell you say you can't get no trouble for it or whatever. You still see people on the road without no mask, my virgin. Everyday thing, man. Free up at the blood clot place, Prime Minister. You know what I mean? I make the people them can enjoy themselves and make dancehall can pop down the place. I wouldn't say why reason no uneducated way, you know. But me I say free up back the people them. You see what I deal with? They can't have the people them under bondage like that. Because if them can rear them mass in the morning and during the day and it's ain't no problem, why them can't do that at night? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's ridiculous now. If you are pre on a level, if them can wear them mask in the morning and in the evening, why them can't wear it at night? Me don't understand what that are going. You see me? That look like some bandage business in a dog. You see me? I hold the people them against them own will, you know. Anyway, the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent. And people, make sure you go get look at the one full support, you know. Because I jump on the thing one night, you know, and it show me, you know, about no comment, you know. I say, look at the free up that, you know. I know you know see 10-star report necessary equipment on that for the loud explosion, you know. So if you a black the comment on it, free up that, you know. You see what I deal with? I don't know joke thing. I'm ready for Sun Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. Or the general the 10-star one. What? What?